convenient. Well, I guess today I'm gonna show you how to change a battery. Welcome back to Dude, We Can Fix It. First, we need to pop the hood. Now we can identify where the battery is at. First, we're going to disconnect the negative side of the battery, and I'll explain why. So if we don't disconnect the negative side first, that means we're disconnecting the positive side first. As soon as I put this on here, this is somewhat energized at 12 volts. So if I were to touch a body panel from here, this could arc out and cause a dangerous situation. 12 volts is not crazy by any means, but safest thing to do is to start with the negative side. All right, so first we're going to need to figure out what size our fasteners are on our terminals. This side, on the negative side, is a 10 millimeter. So we'll go ahead and break this loose and remove it. Now over here, on the positive side, we have a 12 millimeter. So we'll remove this as well. Now, if you have a diesel truck like I have, there's two batteries. Dun, dun, dun. So we'll need to remove this one as well. And it's also a good idea to remove both of your negative terminals first, and then begin removing your positive terminals. Now we can pull these batteries up and out of here and compare them to the new ones. So now we need to compare our old battery to our new one. We see our new one is a little bit bigger, and this is actually the size that I should have on this truck. Larger the better. I'll take these protective caps off, and this one's ready to be installed. It's very good to go ahead and check the polarity. Let's take a close-up look at this. Positive on the left, negative on the right. Over here, positive on the left, negative on the right. Now, if you're not sure if your battery is completely dead or not, what you can do is bring it up to your local auto parts store, whether that be Napa, O'Reilly, AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts, and drop it off overnight. Let them do a trickle charge on it, and then they will also be able to do a load test on your battery to see if you need a new one or not. All right, let's go ahead and plop our new batteries down in the battery trays. There we go. Then we'll take our battery terminal cleaner brush and clean up our leads. You can see that these terminals are already nice and clean. If you don't have one of these, invest in one. They're just a few bucks. Even though these are brand new and clean, I'll go ahead and hit them a little bit just to rough them up. We'll repeat this procedure on the other battery as well. You probably only have one battery, so don't worry about the second one. Now that both of our positives are connected, we'll go ahead and tighten them down. Make sure you can't move this by hand, and that terminal's good to go. There we go, nice and tight. Now we'll begin reconnecting our negative terminals. Check it, make sure it's nice and tight. And now I'll go ahead and do my other negative terminal. All right, it's nice and tight. Now we can close the hood and see how she starts. That's much better. And that's how you change a battery on your car or truck to get it starting right. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And check back in for more Dude, We Can Fix It videos. Have a good one.